Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by saving a copy so you can undo if needed. Next, turn on formatting mark so you can see spaces and paragraph breaks. This reveals hidden gaps. Once visible, open Replace Ctrl+H and place your cursor in the Find box. You're ready to target double spaces, trailing spaces, or manual breaks. Make sure to choose simple patterns first, because small replacements let you confirm results before broader changes. Now you run specific replacements. First, find two spaces and replace with one, then repeat until no double spaces remain. This fixes most issues quickly. Once done, use the Use Wildcards option to match multiple spaces E, G, find two, and replace with a single space to catch variable runs. Also search for manual line breaks L or paragraph marks P to collapse unwanted gaps. Make sure to preview or replace all only after testing a couple of instances. Finish by removing trailing spaces at line ends and normalizing spacing around punctuation. For example, find spaces before commas and fix them. Then run one more global check for multiple spaces and manual breaks. If you see unexpected changes, stop and use undo immediately, then restore your saved copy to avoid data loss. If problems persist, adjust your find pattern or use Select All and check formatting settings. This prevents repeated errors and explains why a pattern matched more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.